If you're gonna reload, reload with the best. Why do I choose Hornady's ELD-X bullet? Well, quite simply, it's the best. Hornady's ELD-X bullet, it's match accurate, and it's been tested with Doppler radar. It's confirmed best in BC in its class because of this little thing right here, the heat shield tip. And that Doppler radar showed that this tip in most other bullets deforms in flight because of intense heat. But the heat shield tip doesn't deform. That means got a higher BC, flies more aerodynamically, and is more accurate. That's a bonus right there when you're reloading. But you also have controlled weight expansion. Now, when this bullet hits a white-tailed deer, or maybe even an elk, depending on what you're hunting, you want it to create a devastating wound channel. Well, the ELD-X bullet was designed again, the shank, the core, to hold up to hits, whether you're shooting less than 400 yards, where the bullet will retain 50 to 65% of its original weight, or 400 plus yards, where it will retain 85 to 95% of its weight. When you're reloading, is there really another option than Hornady's ELD-X bullet? I don't think so.